Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today we're going to be, as I say, closing out my monthly bill tracker. What this is basically I take my monthly bill tracker from last month and I compare it to the month before. So that way I can kind of see what I'm spending in each category. Is it something that I don't need? Is it something that I want and I can add, like a TV subscription? Is it going to make my budget go out of whack? This is the way that I do it so that I can kind of, see, compare what is going on. So if you are trying to figure out what you are spending in each category, this right here might help you figure that out. So we're gonna go ahead and get out our markers, and I am just happy, y'all, that I still got all my markers. They're not color coded anymore, but y'all, I have a toddler, and if you can keep all of your markers together, your pens, with a toddler that pulls your stuff out, you're doing good. You're doing good. All right, so I am going to go to my bill tracker for last month. Okay. All right, so this is my bill tracker for last month. This is for August, and then we're actually going to be comparing that to July's once we actually do our highlighting for the highlighter method. Okay. All right, so I am actually, let me just go ahead, I'm going to pull this out, and we are actually going to go ahead and do this. So how do I do this? I'm going to get out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 6 colors. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Let's do this one. No, 3, 4. We do 5, and then we need one more. Let's do this light pink, 6. Okay. So we are going to do that color, and I will put those back later. So the pouch, I actually got that from Amazon. I do have that linked in my Amazon storefront. So because I know last time you guys were asking me, so let's go ahead, let's hop into this tracker. So we're going to go ahead and look for all of the utilities that we spent our money on. So that's more like home utilities. So we got AEP, which is Sky High. We have Brinks. All right, so we have a mortgage. All right, Xfinity is entertainment. We got Wodabill, and yeah, I think that's it. All right, so next what I do with my calculator, and I add, I'm gonna scoot this over a little bit so you guys can see. All right, so I add all of my utilities that I have for the month. Yeah, this isn't fun as cash stuffing, but I promise you guys, if you do this, you would be like, oh, okay, this makes sense to me. This makes sense to me. All right, so we got 236 plus 42 plus 498.44 plus $72. All right, so we got $848.44. All right, so next we're gonna use purple for entertainment. All right, so all of the entertainment we're gonna do Netflix, we're gonna do Xfinity, we're gonna do Disney. Yep. So this is all of the things like TV subscriptions or like game subscriptions. Like this is just entertainment that we have for monthly. All right, so we're gonna add this up. So we have $15.49 plus $124 plus $7.99. Okay, so we have $147.48 that we're spending in entertainment. Okay, so next we're going to do phones. So this will be like our cell phones. So we're going to use this. And like I said, we did end up switching to Verizon. So hopefully this is a good move. But we weren't getting any service with this, so we had to switch. You got to do what you got to do. All right, so we got 137. I lost my train of thought right there, y'all. Okay, so next is Sun. So let's do Aiden in blue. So we have daycare. And I know I did have a question on my Instagram about why do I have daycare written twice sometimes. So what I do is everything that is supposed to be paid with the paycheck for like the 5th, that's why you see it, and it ends, and the next paycheck is the 19th. So anything before this will be paid with the check for the 5th, and then anything for the 19th and on will be paid with that check. So that's why you see 2 daycares there. I know it can get confusing sometimes, y'all. All right, so we got $150, and then remember the daycare went up to $165, and then here I forgot and then $165. Yeah. All right, so we got $645. Okay, so next we have car. So this is going to be expenses for the car. All right, so we have Geico, and we have Ale, and that's about it. So we got 146 plus 341, and we got 487. All right, so next we have credit cards, which we should have only 2, which I'm working towards paying. So we have Wells Fargo, and we have Discover. All right, so we got 80, and then we have 80. So we got 160. All right, so that's what we have going on there. So put these to the side. All right, so I'm gonna slide this over. Let's slide this over here. All right, compare our sheet from last month. So this is how we're gonna do this. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about when I compare. This is July, and I'm gonna write August on here so we can know. All right, so for home and utilities, this is supposed to be home too. All right, so last month we spent $852.69. This month we spent $848.44. Aiden's daycare, we're gonna go here. We did $750, and we spent $645. Basically, I do have right here where the extra month, it would have been more, but the extra month didn't add on, but it went on to the next paycheck. So that's why that is pretty much like that. I mean, the next paycheck, it's the next month because it started on the 2nd. So next we have cell phone bill, same thing, $137, but it will be different, but it will be a little bit more. But the thing about it is I need service for the things that I do, and I mean, I know it cheaper is better, but if it's not conducive to what I'm trying to do with like my channel, like my stuff, I have to do what I got to do. All right, so entertainment, I wasn't happy to pay a little bit more, but it's okay. All right, and we did get better phones. So entertainment, we were paying $160.48, so we got $147.48. Car, we were paying $545.50, and then that is $487. And as you can see, the car registration was on this month here. And then for credit cards, we did $150. We got $160 for the credit card. So that's how I actually do it. This right here, once you start doing it, it'll be like super easy to actually, to do it, and it doesn't take a lot of time. But you can learn a lot from these doing this, like saying like how much I spent. And if you need to go back and say like, wow, July, like look at your statement, say July I spent a lot of money, and look back here and say like, hey, I spent, daycare went up, and that's what was extra, so that's where you can do that. So thank you guys so much for chilling with me through this video. Super quick, super easy. And if you have not already, follow me on my Instagram page. It's called 𝗗𝗚𝗏𝗡, and then also my TikTok is 𝗗𝗚𝗏𝗡. And make sure to comment, subscribe, share. I am reading everybody's comments, so if you don't see me like reply right then and there, I will reply. So I do go back and look at everybody's comments. And thank you guys so much for always chilling with me, and until next time, guys, peace.